Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of gadgets with our list of the top 9 coolest gadgets every man needs from Amazon. Whether you're looking to upgrade your tech game or find the perfect gift, we've got you covered. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. Let's get started. 9. Charge Flow Mini Portable Charger. The Charge Flow Mini Portable Charger is a compact powerhouse designed for those on the go. With its sleek and lightweight design, it easily fits in your pocket or bag, making it an essential companion for travel, work, or everyday use. Featuring a robust 10,000 mAh battery, this charger can provide multiple charges for your smartphone or tablet, ensuring you stay connected throughout the day. The Charge Flow stands out with its dual USB-A and USB-C output ports, allowing you to charge two devices simultaneously without sacrificing speed or efficiency. One of the stand-up features of this charger is its rapid charging capability, which can restore your devices to full power in record time. Additionally, the LED indicators keep you informed about the remaining battery life. 8. Sofern IF24 Emergency Flashlights. The Sofern IF24 Emergency Flashlight is a versatile and reliable lighting solution designed for a variety of situations, from outdoor adventures to everyday emergencies. This compact flashlight boasts an impressive brightness of up to 2,000 lumens, ensuring you have ample illumination when you need it most. Its multiple brightness settings, including a strobe mode, allow you to customize the light output for different environments, whether you're camping, hiking, or dealing with a power outage at home. Built with durability in mind, the IF24 features an aluminum body that is both lightweight and resistant to impacts and water, making it suitable for rugged use. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, even in challenging conditions. With a rechargeable battery and USB-C charging capability. 7. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is an innovative drone that takes aerial photography and videography to new heights. Designed for both enthusiasts and professionals, it features a sleek, compact design that enhances portability without sacrificing performance. The Avata 2 is equipped with a high-quality camera capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring stunning cinematic footage with vibrant colors and incredible detail. One of the stand-up features of the Avata 2 is its advanced stabilization technology, which helps to eliminate shaky footage, even in windy conditions or during rapid movements. The drone also incorporates intelligent flight modes, such as follow me and waypoints, making it easier to capture dynamic shots with minimal effort. Safety is a priority with the Avata 2, featuring obstacle avoidance sensors that help prevent collisions, giving pilots more confidence while flying. 6. Osprey Ultralight 20 Liters Dry Stuff Pack. The Osprey Ultralight 20 Liters Dry Stuff Pack is an essential companion for outdoor enthusiasts seeking durability and versatility in a lightweight design. Weighing in at just a few ounces, this pack is perfect for backpacking, hiking, or any adventure where space and weight are critical. Its 20-liter capacity provides ample room for essentials like clothing, gear, or food, while the roll-top closure ensures your belongings stay dry and protected from the elements. Constructed from water-resistant materials, the ultralight dry stuff pack is designed to withstand wet conditions, making it ideal for river crossings or unexpected rain showers. The pack features a minimalist design, with an adjustable shoulder strap that offers comfort and ease of use during long treks. Additionally, it can be compressed down to a small size, making it easy to stow away in your larger pack when not in use. 5. Sharpel 103N. The Sharpel 103N is a versatile knife sharpener designed for both outdoor enthusiasts and home cooks alike. Featuring a compact, lightweight design, it's perfect for keeping your knives, scissors, and other cutting tools in optimal condition. The sharpener offers a dual-function capability, with coarse and fine sharpening options, allowing you to easily restore dull edges or refine them for precision cutting. Equipped with a diamond abrasive surface and ceramic honing rods, the Sharpel 103N ensures effective sharpening while maintaining the integrity of your blades. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making the sharpening process effortless, even for extended use. The non-slip base ensures stability, allowing you to sharpen safely and efficiently. Ideal for camping trips, kitchen use, or everyday carry. 4. BRS Outdoor BRS 3000T. The BRS Outdoor BRS 3000T is an ultralight camping stove designed for backpackers and outdoor enthusiasts seeking efficiency and portability. Weighing in at a mere 25 grams, it's one of the lightest stoves on the market, making it an excellent choice for those looking to minimize pack weight without sacrificing performance. This compact stove features a sturdy design with a foldable structure that allows for easy storage and transport. The BRS 3000T boasts a powerful output of up to 3000 watts, enabling rapid boiling times for water and cooking meals quickly. Its adjustable flame control lets you fine-tune the heat, whether you're simmering a delicate sauce or boiling water for coffee. 3. Edifier G200 Bluetooth Magnetic Speaker. The Edifier G200 Bluetooth magnetic speaker is a stylish and compact audio solution designed for music lovers who value both performance and aesthetics. With its unique magnetic design, this speaker stands out while providing powerful sound in a small package. Its Bluetooth connectivity allows for seamless pairing with smartphones, tablets, and other devices, giving you the freedom to enjoy your favorite tunes wirelessly. Featuring dual 3-inch full-range drivers, the G200 delivers clear and balanced audio across a wide frequency range, ensuring an immersive listening experience. 2. Samsung The Freestyle Projector. Samsung The Freestyle Projector is a revolutionary portable projector designed for those who crave cinematic experiences anywhere they go. Weighing just under 2 pounds, its lightweight and compact design make it easy to carry and set up, whether you're at home, in the park, or on a camping trip. With a resolution of 1080p and a brightness of 550 lumens, the Freestyle delivers stunning visuals, allowing you to project images up to 100 inches in size. Its 180-degree design enables versatile positioning, so you can project onto walls, ceilings, or any flat surface without the need for a fixed setup. The built-in auto-leveling feature ensures that the image remains straight, no matter the angle. 1. Minisforum Ataman X7 Tie. The Minisforum Ataman X7 Tie is a compact and powerful mini PC designed for versatility and high performance. Equipped with an Intel Core i7 processor, it delivers impressive computing power suitable for a variety of tasks, from everyday browsing to demanding applications like gaming and content creation. Its sleek, minimalist design makes it an attractive addition to any workspace, while its small footprint ensures it won't take up much desk space. This mini PC features advanced graphics capabilities, thanks to the integrated Intel Iris X graphics, allowing for smooth visuals and decent gaming performance on lower settings. And there you have it, our top 9 coolest gadgets every man needs from Amazon. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Let us know in the comments which gadget you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.